Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not working on iPhone, and there are a few ways you can try and fix it if it's not a hardware problem. So basically just go to your settings, after that go to privacy and security, and here you can see microphone. So make sure it's turned on everywhere you want to, um, and it should work. As you can see, I have turned it off on Google and on YouTube, so maybe you did that too and it's not working because of that. Another way is to go to your screen time right here, and after this you're gonna scroll down until you see content privacy restrictions, and you're gonna go to your microphone. And you want to allow all the changes. If you won't allow it, this may not work. So basically click allow changes, and of course choose where you want those changes to be allowed. Another, of course, a very obvious one is to remove any dirt or debris on your microphone. So make sure to do this, and if that doesn't help, make sure to restart your settings. So go to General, scroll down and click Transfer or Reset the phone, and click Reset. You can reset your phone, you can restart your phone, and maybe after this your microphone will work. If not, it may be a hardware problem and you need to get it fixed at the salon. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.